Huawei P Smart 2021 with quad rear cameras, Kirin 710A SoC launched. Price, specifications. Huawei P Smart 2021 smartphone has been launched in Europe. It boasts of specifications such as a quad rear camera setup featuring a 48-megapixel primary shooter, a large 5,000 mAh battery, and high-silicon Kirin 710A processor. A successor to the Huawei P Smart 2020, the Huawei P Smart 2021 will be offered in 3 colors options and it will be available for purchase in European markets soon, but no information has been announced yet regarding its launch in India. Huawei P Smart 2021 price, availability. The Huawei P Smart 2021 is priced at €229, roughly 19,700 rupees, for the sole 4GB plus 128GB storage configuration. It will be offered in blush gold, crush green, and midnight black color options. The phone will be available for purchase in Europe, and is expected to be launched in other countries soon. Huawei P Smart 2021 specifications. The Huawei P Smart 2021 features a 6.67-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 pixels, display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by the Kirin 710A SoC, paired with 4GB RAM. It has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable, up to 512GB, via a microSD card. The smartphone runs on MIUI 10.1 based on Android 10. In terms of optics, the Huawei P Smart 2021 features a quad rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary shooter with f/1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with f/2.4 aperture, a 2-megapixel macro shooter with f/2.4 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f/2.4 aperture. For selfies and video calls, the phone has an 8-megapixel camera with f/2.0 aperture at the front. The Huawei P Smart 2021 packs a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts supercharged fast charging. Connectivity options on the phone include 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 802.11n, GPS, GLONASS, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C port. The phone measures 165.65 by 76.88 by 9.26mm and weighs 206 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.